Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my vlogs. As you can see, I'm wearing some American flag sunglasses, and there's a reason for that. Today is 4th of July. The day you may be watching this may not be 4th of July, but the day that I recorded it is 4th of July. So hence why I got the American flag sunglasses. We're going to celebrate 4th of July. I'm going to go spend it with my family. I'm going to be in Moreno Valley in California. It's near Riverside, near my hometown. But I'm going to be spending it with my my family, my brothers, their families, and my parents, of course. We're going to be barbecuing. We're going to be enjoying some family time, and hopefully doing some fireworks a little bit later. And if we do that, I'll make sure to get that on video for you, and you can see a little bit of the life of how I celebrate 4th of July. We're gonna be celebrating it beast mode style, and you know, hopefully we'll have a good day and nothing crazy happens tonight. So stay tuned, catch the next clips, and then hopefully we have a lot of it. If not, then at least it'll be good stuff that I record. But so I just made it to my brother's house. It's hot as heck. I left my car, my thermostat said it's like 100 degrees. So I have my little towel around me. I'm gonna keep it cool. I don't know how much footage I'll actually get, you know, just family stuff, but mostly from the fireworks for sure later. But if I get more stuff, you know, definitely include it. But as for now, I'm gonna go inside because it's hot and I need to get a water. So one thing that I do love about my family gatherings is we always have a lot of food. A lot of food. Like, just take a look at how much goodies we have here. And that's just snacks. So a lot of snacks, a lot of food. Definitely gonna pig out. Probably gonna gain some weight. I don't need to be doing that, but whatever. It's 4th of July and I'm gonna enjoy it. So Carla, do you know what day today is?
What?
It's 4th of July. Yeah, 4th of July. You know what we see later today?
What?
We're gonna see some fireworks.
Oh, no way!
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
Whoa. Hi, Lydia. Hi, Moms.
Hey, mamas.
You getting in the water?
Say hey, mamas.
How you like the water, Mama?
Say no.
You got a little Matt coming in the water?
Like the water, Matt? Matthew, you like the water?
What was that?
That was a firework, papas.
Victor, do you know what day it is?
4th of July.
4th of July. What are we going to do today?
Do some fireworks.
Do some fireworks?
Yeah.
Cool. Say hi, Lydia.
Want anything else?
Say hi, Moms.
No? I'm here.
No. You can't get it. You can't get it. And look, we have Viviana. Hi, Viviana.
What is it?
What are you eating?
Water cone?
What kind of snow cone? What flavor?
How long has it been?
Tiger blood.
I worked
Tiger blood. Look at the sister. You hear your sister? She got tiger blood, she said.
But you drive. I drive.
The water balloons just came out. You can see over here. I mean, stop. Don't hit me.
Go, Carla.
You already hurt my arm.
Lydia. Lydia. Whose first 4th of July is this, huh? Lydia. Are you ready for some fireworks, Moms? We'll take that as a yes.
The more illegal they are, the more people seem to do it.
Don't do illegal stuff, Lydia. Oh, there's some right there. video, you guys.
Ooh, I'm a pig. Ooh.
Otro vato. Ellie, wait till it turns on, okay?
Wait,
Go, 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 go. Adrian, watch out.
Mine.
Here. Put it in there.
I'm making a dragon.
Be careful, don't point them at each other.
Why not?
Because I didn't even put my mustache.
Be alright. Can't even see nobody.
That way, okay? Well, you're gonna go that way, okay?
Here you go, guys.
Go, be careful.
It's gonna be short, baby.
Be careful. Go that way, don't come this way.
It's gonna be short.
Wait, vato. Go, 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 go. Careful, now. You're gonna catch your sweater on fire. Go that way.
Long day. But it's been a good 4th of July, so we're gonna see how long these kids last, and then hopefully head home. So show you a little bit more of the kids. Ain't that right, Charlie?
What's up?
Wow, how's my done again?
What the heck?
Oh, watch out! You see us lighting it, huh?
You're not walking
Yeah,
right
nah.
there when we're trying to light it, man.
You almost got burned.
Go that way.
Oh, my phone's right here.
Coffee, Jenna.
He's almost got burned. But it's okay, huh, mano? Hey, your sister's still okay, huh? Yeah, she'll be alright. She'll make it till next year, right?
Don't point
Alright.
it no, don't
Ileana?
point it to each other.
Almost got burned.
Don't point it to each other.
Hold on, wait.
Okay, I burned my finger because I felt like a little spark touched my finger, but it didn't hurt. But I almost
Are you
burned my
okay?
sweater off.
What is that blue thing? Oh, that's pink. Never mind. I thought that was the burn on your finger.
Why would a burn on my finger be blue?
I don't know.
Like that color blue though.
Why not? Alright guys, so that's pretty much going to do it for today. Had a lot of fun. Fireworks, food, heat. A lot of heat. It was hot today. It was over 100 degrees. I'm going to call it a quits. I got to work tomorrow. It's not 4th of July when you're watching this, but it is when I'm recording it. So had a good time. Had a good fun with family. I'm sweating now because it's hot in the room. So going to turn that AC on and call it a night. Comment, like, subscribe. Thanks for the support. Share these videos if you like them. And as always, see you next time. Deuces.